We're also watching shares of Nvidia this morning, ticker symbol NVDA. The chip giant stock about to get a little bit more affordable. The company is set to complete its highly anticipated 10-for-1 stock split after the market closes today. Yahoo Finance's Blikre here to track the moves ahead of the split. Hey, Jared.
Hey, Brad. This gives us the opportunity to do some fun math. Fortunately, it's pretty easy. If you're an Nvidia shareholder and you hold one share, on Monday morning, you're going to have 10 shares. If you own 100, it'll be 1,000. But if you take a look at the share price right now, that's going to be lopped off by 1 0. So $1,209.98, that's going to become $120, actually $121 because you'd have to round it up. So the share price will be adjusted such that the total market capitalization should not be affected. But here's a 5-year chart of Nvidia. They already did one stock split a few years ago. It was a 4-for-1 split in 2021. That's this line right here. And I'll put a line chart on so you can see this a bit better. After they announced that, and they did that at their May shareholder meeting when they announced their earnings there, the stock doubled in price into the end of the year. And then what happened after that? Well, the world fell into a bear market, and Nvidia actually got 2/3 of its share price just lopped off. That was a pretty big hit to it. But once it found its footing in late 2022 until the current day, that is a 10 times increase in share price. So forgive the handwriting there, but that is 1,000% of what it was. So that's pretty impressive. Now, I think we can also look at some of the other people, other members in the semiconductor space. This is actually our mega caps, but this gives us an opportunity to show how Nvidia's ranking has changed over the last few years. Now, Nvidia right here is number 3, and you can see it's sitting right next to Apple. It has changed places with Apple a little bit, and it's also closed above $3 trillion once a couple days ago. We'll have to see if that can be repeated, but I remember when Nvidia was all the way over here or all the way up here, and it's been impressive to see this meteoric rise. I don't think a company has ever increased in value this quickly before at these levels.